Okay, myself Sheikh Naim. So today we are going to discuss about introduction to AutoCAD. So before going to know about AutoCAD, first we need to understand what in by CAD. CAD have a different abbreviation. So we'll have abbreviations like computer-aided drafting, computer-aided design, computer-aided design and drafting, computer-aided drafting and modeling. So what the CAD software is doing? So in CAD software, we can have two-dimensional diagrams, and also we can have three-dimensional diagrams. Okay, we can do 2D and 3D diagrams. So we will see what is the difference between computer-aided drafting and computer-aided design. You see, computer drafting is mainly focuses on the two-dimensional diagrams. The diagrams may be concepts or designs. But if where you see computer design mainly focuses on the two-dimensional and as well as three-dimensional diagrams. Okay, so this is the major difference between computer-aided drafting and computer-aided design. Then there are many CAD softwares nowadays we are using like AutoCAD, Pro, uh, PTC, Creo. Then we are using Fusion 3, 360, SolidWorks, KTR. There are many softwares which are developed for 2D and 3D diagrams. Okay, then we will see what in by AutoCAD. So AutoCAD is a software which was developed by the Autodesk company, and we already seen CAD is nothing but computer aided design or computer aided drafting. I am saying these two terminology because most of the people are using computer aided design or computer aided drafting. Okay, so what in by auto here? Auto is nothing but the parent name of the Autodesk company. So what we are doing in AutoCAD? In AutoCAD, similar to CAD softwares, in AutoCAD also we are going to have 2D diagrams and 3D diagrams. Also, we are documenting these 2D and 3D diagrams by following the engineering drawing principles. So this AutoCAD is used for many applications like mechanical, civil, electrical, architecture, engineering. There are other engineering peoples who are using AutoCAD like agricultural engineering, automobile engineering. There are lot of other people those are using AutoCAD as the one of the best software for their modeling. Okay, then. So AutoCAD, before AutoCAD, Autodesk was developed Interact CAD. Interact CAD is the first version was developed by the Autodesk company prior to AutoCAD. So the Interact CAD was developed in 1979 by Michael Riddle. Okay. Then later the Interact CAD was renamed as a AutoCAD by the Autodesk company in 1986. So the AutoCAD is the most widely used CAD software in the worldwide. Okay, then we will see this is the AutoCAD interface where we have here application button where we have a options like saving our work. Okay, so this is the one of the option it is available in the application button. Then you have user coordinate system. So where system have its default user coordinate system, and we can create our own user coordinate system. Then we have a command line where we try to give command for our AutoCAD software. Suppose I want to give a command as a line, it will generate a line in the working space by taking some of the input that is first endpoint and second endpoint from the user. Then we have a navigator bar. Navigator bar is nothing but we can navigate throughout our work with the help of pan, with the help of zoom in, zoom out, with the help of rotate option. So these are the some of the tabs or options are available in the AutoCAD. Then Thank you for your listen.